Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Make Progress. In this video, we are going to see career choices after intermediate. After intermediate or class 12, we have engineering, medical, degree, defense, government jobs, and other choices as well. So let's know about all these in detail. Engineering. Its duration is 4 years. Eligibility MPC or M/PC. Entrance test AAEE or JEE Mains, JEE Advanced or IIT, MCET. In AP and Telangana, it's the entrance exam of engineering. Other states will be having their own entrance test for that particular state, BITSAT, etc. Some universities and colleges are giving admission based on the marks obtained in class 12th or intermediate, also on JEE main score or percentile, and few universities are conducting their own entrance test, and depending on the marks you secured in that entrance test, you'll be getting a seat into that particular university or college. And here below are few universities which are providing admission based on the JEE main score. Under these three categories, you can check them online and you can choose your university or college which you wanted to join. And the branches in engineering are computer science engineering, information technology, electronics and communications, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, mechanical, civil, aeronautical, aerospace, biotechnology, biomedical, bioinformatics, chemical engineering, ceramics, environmental engineering, industrial engineering, information and communication technology, that's ICT, marine engineering, mining engineering, mechatronics, silk and textile engineering, etc. And depending on the universities and colleges, the branches available will differ. Next one is medical. Eligibility BIPC and M/PC. Entrance exams are MCET, NEET. In medical, you have three categories. That one is medicine, allied health sciences, paramedical. In medicine, it's about 5 years of duration. We have MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, BDS, Bachelor of Dental Surgery, BHMS, Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery, BUMS, Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery, BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, BNYS, Naturopathy, BVSC, Veterinary, PPT, Physiotherapy. And coming to allied health sciences, its duration is about 2 to 3 years, and the branches available are BSc, Accident and Emergency Care Technology, BSc Audiology and Speech Language Pathology, BSc Cardiac Technology, BSc Cardiopulmonary Perfusion Care Technology, Critical Care Technology, Dialysis Technology, Neuroelectrophysiology, MLT, Medical Sociology, Nuclear Medicine Technology, Operation Theatre and Anesthesia Technology, Optometry, and other are Physician Assistant, Prosthetics and Orthotics, Radiography and Image Technology, Radiotherapy, Medical Record Science, Respiratory Therapy, Fitness and Lifestyle Modifications, Clinical Nutrition, Microbiology, Clinical Data Management and Clinical Trial. And these are the choices in allied health science. And next, paramedical. You have dialysis technician course, and then ECG technician, X-ray technician, OT technician, that's operation theatre technician. And coming to degree, it's generally of 3 years. we have BA, BSc, BCom, CA, Chartered Accountant, and other degrees as well. So let's see in detail. Bachelor of Arts, BA. In this we have BA Computer Science, Linguistics, HEP, HTP, Economics, Psychology, Fine Arts, Political Science, Sociology, Library Sciences, Journalism and Mass Communication, Anthropology, Hospitality and Tourism, Vedic Astrology, Military Studies, BA Mathematics, BA Philosophy and Oriental Culture, Political Science, Physical Education, Public Relations, Public Administration, Rural Industry, Rural Development, Sociology, Social Science, BA Vocational Studies, BA Tourism Studies, Communicative English, Geography, Advertising and Brand Management, Agro-Service, Biostatics, and all, Cinema and Photography, Cinematography. BSc, Bachelor of Science. BSc, in BSc we have the branches are as follows: Anthropology, BSc Applied Mathematics, BSc Biotechnology, BSc BZC or CBZ, Biochemistry, Computer Science, CPZ, Dairy Science, MUC, Horticulture, Home Science, Mathematics, Microbiology. And coming to BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. In this we have branches: BCom Regular, BCom Computers, BCom Banking Management, BCom Banking and Finance, BCom Tax Procedure. LLB, Bachelor of Legislative Law. BBA, Bachelor in Business Administration, Bachelor of Computer Application, Bachelor in Business Management, Bachelor in Accounts and Finance, Bachelor in Finance Management, Bachelor in Management Studies. And coming to dual degree, it's about 4 years of duration: BA plus BEd, BSc plus BEd, BA plus LLB. You can complete these 2 degrees within 4 years. BCom plus LLB, BBM plus LLB, BBA plus LLB. See here, two courses, 2 degrees we are going to finish within 4 years. That's the dual degree. Next, National Defense Academy, NDA. In this we have 3: Army, Air Force and Navy. After finishing your class 12, you can write an entrance exam and can go for National Defense Academy. Government jobs. After finishing our class 12th or intermediate, we have many government jobs. One should know about all this. We can get a pretty good amount of salary even after finishing our class 12. So let's see. SSC. SSC CHSL, Combined Higher Secondary Level Exam, Railway Recruitment Board, RRB, jobs in state government, in Indian Coast Guard, National Defense Academy, SSC Stenographer, Grade C and Grade D, SSC Multitasking Staff. CA, Chartered Accountant. Its duration is about 5 years. Eligibility is 10 plus 2 in any stream with a minimum of 55% marks. We have 3 levels in this course. That's first, we have to write an entrance exam, that is CPT, Common Proficiency Test, and then IPCC, Integrated Professional Competence Course, and final course FC. Others. We have other choices as well, like teaching, interior designing, jewelry designing, hotel management, foreign languages, filmmaking, photography, event management, and fashion designing. There are even many other choices as well. I think everyone got aware of all the choices we have after finishing at intermediate or class 12. So I hope you have got a clear idea about all the choices you have, and you can choose an option from that and make your career much brighter.
If you like this video, please do like and share, and to subscribe our channel, click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get all the notifications.